Here we will write a program to display union of set using Python. First we will open the IDE, then we will add new file, and in comment line we will write the program description. First we will define two sets. First we will display original sets. There are two ways to create union of a set. First using OR and second is using union method. So first we will create union using OR. So we will use set 3 equal to set 1 or set 2 and we will print set 3. Then we will make union using union method. So set 3 equal to set 1 dot union set 2, and again we will print set 3. Then we will save it. We will name it as set union and we will execute it. First it will display original sets and then union of set using OR 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and using union method it will also display 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Since 4 is common between two sets, it will display only once.